Here I have ALCATEL 3 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning let me start with the first one, so let me start with Smart Manager. Let's use apps icon, then find and select the settings. From the list of settings choose here Smart Manager. So here you can use a couple of useful features, for example App Manager, here you can use the auto start option or deep hibernate right here. You can also go back and use power saving. Here you've got the normal power saving, super saving. You can also go back and see the storage info. Here you can, for example, free up the internal storage. You can choose items to remove. Let me go back. Here you can also see the memory usage info right here. So this is one of the most powerful app, the Smart Manager. Now let me show you the second trick, so the Joy Touch. Let's find and select settings. Here choose the advanced features, choose Joy Touch, and you can enable this option by using this switcher. So as you can see here, you've got the Joy Touch. This is some kind of the assistive touch. You can place it wherever you want and you may use it. So here you can, for example, use the flashlight. You can take a screenshot. You can also here, for example, enable a calculator and use the clock. So what's also really important, you can set up the function that you would like to use it. You can select the number of functions and you can choose the functions that you would like to use it right here. Alright, let me go back. Here you can also use the theme if you would like to, so you can change the color of this Joy Touch, and as you can see the Joy Touch will be on every screen. You can also disable and enable the Joy Touch by using the upper bar and by tapping the Joy Touch. Alright, so let's go next. Let me show you the screen recorder. Let's use apps icon. Here you should find the screen recorder. As you can see, this is the icon of screen recorder, so you can tap it and you can start recording your screen. Choose start now. 3, 2, 1, go. Now you are recording your screen. So if you would like to just stop the video, let's use the same icon, use stop. Alright, and you can also use the exit key to exit the screen recorder. Now you can also watch your records by using the gallery. Sorry, let me go back, use gallery. Let's allow a couple of stuff. Let's choose videos and here you can play your video. That's it. So everything went well. Let's go next. Let me show you the night mode. So let's use the apps icon right here. Find and select the settings. Choose display. And here you've got the night mode. So you can enable to automatically switch on out the night mode by using the schedule plan, or you can manually enable the night mode. You can select the color temperature, and what's also really important, you can enable and disable the night mode by using the upper bar and here by tapping night mode. Alright, now let's go for the last trick, the hidden mode, which is the hardware test mode. Let's use the phone's dialer and let's input the following secret code: *# 2886 #. As you can see, the ALCATEL mobile hardware test node pops up. Here you can perform automatic hardware test, or you can see the manual one. So here you can test the color of your screen. If everything is alright, tap pass. You can test the gray, for example. You can also test the main camera, front flash, receiver. Let me test the receiver, the speaker, the vibrator, and other stuff such as charger, USB, SIM card, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You can also here, for example, accomplish the factory reset if you would like to. You can see the memory lifetime and other stuff. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.